Hello, I thought I'd do another one. So, this is a killer Sudoku. It's expert level. Some people find this all very intimidating, so I'm going to demystify it, okay? Explain the thought processes and why I'm doing what I'm doing, okay? So, where do we start? We always start in the same place. Pick up any easy ones, okay? So, here we've got three numbers. It's like a single box, single cell. It's a free number, okay? Then, what I then look to do is get the ones where there's only one solution. So 17 is an obvious one on this. Then usually you'll see a 3, 4, 16, 17, or the equivalents as you get higher. Let's have a look. I'm not seeing any others. So 6, 17. Also, the other thing we go for is remainders. I've spotted a remainder, you see. That's where you've got a line or a square where one of the cells overlap. And in this case, we've got one here. So this is 6. This is 2 because it's 25 plus 17 is 39. The whole box has to add up to 45. So that's a 6. So if that's a 2, then that means that this 2 solution becomes a 1 solution. And if it's 1, 2, or 5, then that also solves this. Get in there. And then 1, 2, so this is 3 and 4. No, 3, 4, 5, 3 and 7. Sorry. Terrible. I'm letting the side down today. 3 and 7, 3 and 7, which means this is 1. If my screen works at all. 1. Then down here becomes a remainder, and this becomes a remainder as well. 17 plus 6 plus 1 plus 9. So that's 16 plus 17, so that's 33. 33 plus 9, 42. That means this is a 3. And this is the 7. So what's over here? We're going to have 15 plus 11, or 15 plus 20, 35. 35 plus 12. So that's 2. Can we solve this? 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's going to be 4 and 5. It's got 4 solutions, 4 pairs of the solutions. 1, 2, 3 means it has to be 4 and 5. 11. Oh, no, this one's easier to solve. 4 and 5 and 9 means that this has to be 6 and 7. 6 and 7. So that means 11 is 3 and 8. We've got a 3 at the bottom, so that's a 3. Okay, before we go up here, I've spotted that this is a remainder as well. 8 plus 8, so 18 plus 2 is 20, plus 16 means this is 9. Means that's 8 and that's 9. This is now reduced to one solution, which is 7 and 8. Can't be 6 and 9, because you've got 9 in that square and a 6 on the same row. So that solves that. Okay, I've got 2. Now, 8 has 3 solutions. 1 and 7, 2 and 6, 3 and 5. We've got 2 side by side, so that's like a big quad. So this is going to be 1, 3, 5 and 7 all the way along. Can't be 7 and 8 here. So this is 1, 3 and 5. This is 3, 5 and 7. This is 1, 3, 5 and 7. And again here. Okay, so where else? Okay, we've got to do up here. So, 1. Oh, Jesus, I've messed up, but I've got away with it. So this is 2 along here. 2 and 2. Can't, it says 15, so this has to be 7 and 8. I need a new phone. This screen is going. First time I've ever had one of these like Chinese phones, and they've gone wrong very quickly. 5. Usually they're very durable. I don't think this is Chinese anymore. The company, that is, not the phone. 4 and 9. This will be 3 and 5. Yes, that's 9 plus 13. Makes sense. So, if we've already got this as a quad, then we can put something in here as well. So, it can't be 1, 3, 5, 7, 2. So, it's 4, 6, and 8, I do believe. Yeah. So this is 6 and 8. This is 4, 6 and 8, as is here. Eleven, 2, 3, 8, 9. Okay, this is 4, 5, 6 and 7 as well. What does that leave? Leaves 1 and 9. 1 and 9, which means this is 2. Which means this is 1 and 5. It's going to be, based on what's in that row, it's going to be that way around. 9 and 1. And then this has to be 3 and 6. 1 and can't be 1 and 8. 2 and 7 can't be 4 and 5. So this is 3 and 6. 3 and 6. This is not going to be 6. This is not going to be 6. So this is 6 and this is 5, based on what we've got there. 4 and 7, which means that this has to be a 4. Oh, and this is not a 3 either. I just spotted that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 8. This is 8. This is 6. So this is going to be 5 and 9, has to be, because we've already got the 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 and 7. So if this is 6, this would be 3. So that can't be 6. It's got to be 7. This is going to be 6, 8, 7. Okay. So what we've got left? So this is, so it's 1 and 5. Okay, so let's look. So 9 and 6 is 15, which means this is remainder 9. 9. So can't be 7 and 8, so it can't be 1 and 2. Can't be 3 and 6. This has to be 4 and 5. Okay, so this can't be, so because there's 1 and 3 there, and that's what's left over, you think it'd be 1 or 3 here. Can't be 1. This has to be 3. So that's 1. That's going to be a 7. Okay, so then 6. 3 and 5 there, so this has to be 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So that's 8 over here. See, we're slowly nipping away at everything. That's a pair, so that's a 6. Where else? Let's do here, then we're going to do here, okay? So, 1. Scanning says there's only one place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9. Okay, looking at this quickly, if this is 8 and 1, that's 9, plus 15, 24. 24 means that this is 9. So yeah, 24 means that this is 9. So then 9 plus 8 plus 10, I'm remainder hunting. 9 plus 8 is 17, 27, plus 23 means this has got to be a 5. Indeed it is. Okay, now if we look up here actually, this can be 5. No, that's the only place 5 can go actually. Which means this is 3, 5, 3, 5. Now, because I said I'd do it first, I'm doing this one first, okay? This has to be 1 and 9. 1, scanning says that 1 has to go in here. Has to be 1 and 9. A quick scan would tell me that that has to be a 9, thus that's a 1. 9, where's the 9? Where was up there, okay. So then 2, bit of scanning says that this is 2 over here. 3, this has to be 3, 4 next to it, 5, 6, 7. Well, we put a 4 up there, so now this is 7 and 4, which means that this is 7, this is 2 and 8. Okay, so now we're going to go the other way. So this is what's left in this line, which is 3. Okay, we said this was going to be 9, so that's a 4. We know that. So then this is 6 and 9. Still got the 2 and 7 over there. But we're nearly done. So this is going to be, this 8 has to be 2 and 6 in that order based on what's on the row, which means this is 7, this is 2. So leaves us with 7 and 8. 7 in this column. So 8 and 7. Excellent. Didn't tell me how fast I did it this time. Anyway, so yesterday I didn't want to do puzzles. Today I'm doing puzzles. Anyway, hope that helped. As I said, I know my style might be a bit all over the place, but you know, it's the way I think. And hopefully you got something out of that. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to catch you on the next one.